We're moving her inside, boys.
We're going to take all the bad off of this. And we're going to get another truck. That's where we're at. No, we're gonna take the weight reduction parts out. This ain't a race truck anymore.
We're gonna add weight to it.
We're gonna add weight to it.
All right.
Yeah, the weight is slower than me. But we're gonna cut this out, replace the patch panel there. Because there's a lot of good metal in here, and most of the time the old metal, if it's good, it's thicker and better than the new shit you get. But there's a few holes, but that's mostly because, you know,
Rocky's fingering it.
yeah, getting all the goodie out of it. And that's why it rusted, because it had all the goodie in there. But we're gonna cut it back here somewhere, fix this dent here, fix some of these spectator holes. You know what they're supposed for is whoever had this before, they wanted to be able to see down through the floorboards, see where the road was.
Now we know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what's going on here. Got a crack in the floorboard for some reason.
Probably happened when the roof happened.
I'm pretty sure this thing fell off in the Grand Canyon. That's the only logical explanation.
Explanation.
Yes, that's the word. That's the word. We're gonna fix this rust spot there. We're gonna fix that thing there. And then there's another rust spot there. I think they done bondoed that. There's boogers hanging out of it. These dudes they didn't fix rust. They just covered it up.
Yeah. This thing was a pretty blue at one time.
And they ruined that.
Hashtag molested.
Oh, this thing was great. And then we gotta fix this patch panel here. So let's make this patch panel for this rocker. Because the rest of this, man, it sounds good. All right. Just this part here. You know. And you know, when they bondo a section of the truck that no one is ever going to see, you know it's going to be a good truck.
They were really concerned about how it looked at one time.
And they put too much bondo there too. Like, why even waste your time there? You bondo that, but you take a hacksaw to make that hole there.
They did that with a cold chisel. What you talking about?
Maybe a cold chisel. Could have been a beaver. I don't know.
And then we're going to have to fill in these holes for the secondary heater core in this thing.
When one's not good enough, you add another. What is that hole for?
I told you there's auxiliary drains all over this truck for no reason. There's one there, and then there's one there.
It's a little pee-pee.
Yeah.
It's a little pee-pee. It's a boy.
It's excited.
It's a boy. It's cold. There's another one.
Yeah, there's another drain.
Boy,
Looks like a nanner.
Happier than a dog with 2 dicks. Let's chop on this thing.
All right, chop, chop.
Yeah.
I think out of everything on this truck, the driver's door is the best piece.
When we went to go look at this thing, you should have just unbolted the door, put that in your truck with you, and went home with that. You'd been better off. Are you recording this? Are you looking at this? Your truck has mumps.
Sure does. Done had a breakout.
Uh-oh.
Now you got it.
Ah, damn it.
You're going to have to wash you in Clorox.
Oh, Clorox, take that shit off. Ooh.
Oh, that's a dog.
Looks like you got bit by, like, big mosquitoes.
Yeah, Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Spider truck.
Bondo truck.
No wonder they tried to cover it up.